One of the most annoying novelties of Windows 11 is a new right-click menu style. We also know it as the context menu. Even much more annoying is that there is no way to change it to the classic style using the user interface. Here is the solution. Use the registry file provided in the description to change the right-click behavior to classic style with the full context menu. Also provided is the registry file that restores the Windows 11 right-click menu to the default, so you can easily switch between these two styles. The zipped folder contains both files. I always recommend checking the registry files before running them. That can be done by opening them with Notepad. Usually, you can do that from the context menu itself, selecting Edit, as you see in this video. If the file's content is the same as the one you see here or in the video description, you can proceed with running any of them by double-click. Depending on your PC security configuration, you will see 1 or 2 confirmation prompts that you should accept. The change will be effective after you do any of these. Sign out, then sign in back to your account, or restart your PC, or restart only the Windows Explorer from the Task Manager as you see here. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing. I will upload soon many others like this. Thank you.